Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and eggless fudgy chocolate truffle cake. This is super chocolatey and the cake is very fudgy and this makes it so delicious. So if you are a chocolate lover like me, then do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first here in a saucepan I have taken hot water. Above that in a bowl I am taking 100 grams of dark or milk chocolate and adding 1 teaspoon of butter to it. Whisk it till it melts. Add 3 tablespoons of oil so that it's smooth. Our chocolate has smooth consistency now. Allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare a cake mold. Brush oil in it. I'm using a 7-inch cake mold here. Place butter paper and brush oil again. Then to the melted chocolate add half cup of condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of oil. Whisk and mix everything till combined. Now add 1/4 cup of curd. Mix well till it's well combined. Now place a sieve above it and add 1.5 cup of Maida, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. I have also added 1/3 cup of powdered sugar here. Sift everything together. Fold and mix everything till combined. Do not overmix. Now add 1/4 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix well till it comes together. Our cake batter is ready now. Finally add a pinch of salt and mix well. So our chocolate truffle cake batter is ready to go. Pour it into the mold. This batter will be a little thick like so. Spread and smoothen the top using spatula. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Our cake is perfectly baked now. Allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare the ganache. In a bowl I have taken 200 grams of milk chocolate and 200 grams of dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons of butter and 200 grams of hot cream. Let it sit for 5 minutes. You can use dark or milk chocolate as you like. Whisk and mix till it comes together. Our chocolate ganache has smooth consistency now. Keep it in fridge till using. This will thicken a bit. Let's prepare a coffee syrup. In a bowl I have taken half cup of water. To that add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Mix well and keep aside. Our cake is cooled down now. Demold the cake. Cut the cake into 3 equal layers. I am using a serrated knife here. This is a long knife with serrated ends. See how fudgy our chocolate cake has turned out. Now apply the ganache on the middle of the cake board. Add 1 layer of cake. Then brush the coffee syrup on it. Now add the ganache and spread it. See how our ganache has thickened up. Spread it to the sides. Now drizzle a spoonful of Nutella like so. This is completely optional. I had it so I am using it here. I am also adding chocolate chips here. This is also optional. Place the second layer of cake over it and repeat the same steps. Spread the ganache evenly to all the sides. Adding Nutella gives it a different nutty flavor. Now add the top layer and soak it in coffee syrup. Spread the chocolate ganache all over the cake. Spread it all over the cake and also on the sides. Apply the ganache generously for rich chocolate taste. Make a swirl on the top like so. And finally spread Nutella like so. This makes the cake look super amazing and delicious. Clean the sides of the cake board. Keep the cake in fridge for 10 minutes to set. Pipe the same ganache on the sides of the cake. This is also optional. You can decorate the cake as you like. I am using minimal decoration here, so I am decorating it with Kitkat, Oreos and Dairymilk shots. I am also adding some Oreos on the sides to make it look even more beautiful. I am adding the Dairymilk shots like a half circle. You can decorate the cake as you like, and our beautiful and rich chocolate truffle cake is ready now. The cake is super fudgy and the ganache we have used is so creamy and delicious. This is so chocolatey. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.